example 2. You see it's written in standard form. All right, Haddon, what's A here? You don't know? Oh, man. Loudon, what's A? Yes. What's B? Good. What's C? Yes. Loudon, I have to go tell Corbin how smart you are. All right. Axis of symmetry. It's x equals. By the way, you can kind of cheat. I'm going to type this in here. Does Evan like cheating using the calculator? Evan doesn't. Whoa, I changed this example. I didn't mean to do this. Oh, that's fine. That's good. I changed this one. All right. Axis of symmetry. Here's how you cheat on it. Identify the vertex. Watch this. Can y'all identify the vertex of this graph? What is the vertex of this graph? The coordinate. Where's the coordinate of the vertex? Where is the vertex? Which one do you think is the vertex? What's the vertex of that graph? Do you know where it is? Huh? Where would I look at? Where would it be? What point would it be? Cadence, help her out. Which points is the vertex? Perfect. Why aren't you talking earlier? It's this bottom point. Okay, 2, 0. That's going to be the answer. The axis of symmetry, if y'all want to cheat, is x equals whatever x is in the vertex. Kenny, what's x in the vertex? 2. So it's x equals 2. That's how you cheat. So look at the graph. Shout out to Cadence. Okay, the vertex is 2, 0. And the axis of symmetry is x equals whatever x is in the vertex. Now, if you want me to prove it to you, I'll prove it to you. You don't have to write this down. Negative b divided by 2a. Negative times negative 4 is positive 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So it's x equals 2. So that proves it to you. Okay. And to find the vertex, you could plug that 2 back in there. You don't have to do this, but you could do f of 2. You don't have to write this down. 2 squared minus 4 times 2. Jasmine, you like cheating on this? So 4 minus 8 plus 4 is 0. So that's you could do it by hand too. So you could eyeball it looking at the graph, or you could do it by hand. Jasmine, what's the y-intercept of this graph? Good job. How can you tell that by looking at the equation? Huh? Yeah, the last one, right? The y-intercept is just this last point. You could also look at this graph too. Now, by the way, let's see. Beauty shop. Does this graph have a maximum or a minimum? Where's the vertex? Down here, right? Is that a very bottom point or a very top point? Minimum. Good job. So the vertex is a minimum. Okay, Addison, is that concave up or concave down? Huh? Addison, is concave up or concave down? Yeah, good job. Isaiah, watch Isaiah cook. Isaiah, why does this one a U shape? Why is this one a U shape and the other one is an N shape? It's a positive. Yeah, they call that the leading coefficient. The number in front of x squared, the A is positive. There you go. Okay. Cooper, what's the domain of this graph? How far left does it go? Huh? How far left does it go? Remember, it's going forever, right? So it's going negative infinity. How far right does it go? Infinity. Range. Let's see. Hattie, how far down? Don't do that. Hattie, how far down does this graph go? What's the lowest y point it has. Good. How far up does it go? Hattie, did I write this correctly? Paisley, did I write this correctly? What did I do wrong? Yeah. There you go. I'm kind of cheating to do this. I'm showing you Desmos can help you too, but can't use that on the quiz. Actually, maybe I'll let you use Desmos in the quiz. Well, I'll let you use Desmos, but, well, I probably shouldn't. All right. Zeros, x-intercepts. Watch this. Tate, where does this graph cross or touch the x-axis? The x-axis. Yeah. 2. Good job. So the x-intercept is 2. So that's my 0. You can call it 2, 0. Now, that's how you can kind of look at it graphically. I'll do the table real quick. Do y'all know, Paisley, what's the center of my table here? What x is the center of my table? Do you know what the center of my table is? It's that 2. All right. So I'll go to second graph to get the y's. Second graph. So like 0. I'm not typing them in there, or I'm not plugging all those in there again. I went through that a little faster. So 0, 4, 1, 1, 2, 0, 3, 1, 4, 4. Make sure they kind of match up a little bit. Okay, there's my answer.